Have you ever felt overwhelmed by study materials or struggled to retain information? Well, my sister was struggling the same. So what I did was went up to Google and started to look for AI tools that can make her understand her lectures and notes better. And while searching for stuff online, I came across this tool called Gizmo AI. And let me tell you, this tool is just crazy. I was so surprised when I explored it and I went ahead with the features, and oh my god, it shook my mind. Imagine like AI could simplify your learning process by turning those mountains of notes into concise interactive flashcards. So here I am, guys, your AI product analyst at allaboutai.com, and today I'm going to make you meet Gizmo AI, a cutting edge tool that's redefining how students study and how you can be interactive while you are learning and how you can just remember all the information within just a few clicks. Let's get started. So the first step is basically to create your own profile. I've already done it, but I'm gonna make you guys go through it one more time. So let's see. You're going to put in your age, whatever number you want to do. Let's say 29, and I'll just say university because you want to say which year of study you're in. Let's say third year. All right, so once you insert all the information, this is how your profile is going to look. I'll make you guys run through the features one by one. So number one, you can just come up here and create a deck. Okay, so let me just put it as AI agents because I've been recently working on it. You can add it, and once it's added, either like create a card on your own, like you can write it down. So let's say, what is AI agent? I am going to create a card, and or what you can do is add and then AI generate either, or you can import information from all these sources, so like PDF, PowerPoint notes, YouTube videos, Quizlets, and anything you want. I'm gonna start with PDF first. There we go. What are AI agents and all the PDF that I've studied and read? Okay, so you can select and I'll remove the blank pages. There we go. Save it. All the cards made up from just one PDF. So if you ask me, like, is Gizmo AI good for starting? I mean, if you're a student, this thing is a heaven for you. Let me add one more thing. You can go ahead and click on any YouTube video. What I'm going to do is search my own YouTube video about AI, and I'll show you guys how it's done. So let's say we are going to put up a link here, YouTube video. Let's put it up here, and you save it. There we have it. We have all the important information marked up here. Also, this highlighter thing right here, what you can do is you can mark information that you could use as questions or like as blank, fill in the blank sort of thing. Now we're going to come to the learn part. Once all the information is extracted and all the cards are made, step by step either, or like active recall one do. This is going to be sort of like a quiz, but let me start with step by step. So teach me this deck or new lesson, but I'm gonna go with teach me. Okay, there's like 40 flashcards. Okay, let's take a step by step. 5 flashcards of time. Okay, great. So the topic is AI agents, and from flashcard 1 to flashcard 5. So before we take the quiz, in the lesson planning or in the explanation part, Gizmo is going to explain us about the specific flashcard, is going to give us all the information for us to read and comprehend, and then is going to ask us a question. So while you are here, if you need to ask a question, you can go ahead and ask a question. Explain like I'm 5 years old. Okay, it has a better understanding, clarity, and if you want, you can click on more details. I'm just going to go ahead and continue with the quiz. When planning a trip, which of the following tasks can AI agent perform? Of course, it's like so. You're going to be attempting all other questions, and you're going to be learning right away, and you're going to be testing your comprehensive skills literally within there. If you're a teacher, you can basically click on the share link and copy it. Now your link is copied, you can go ahead and provide it to your students, and that can do a lot of the learning in minutes. Also track your progress here. I've already attempted a few things. You can also find friends. You can go ahead and search for people around you in your surroundings. Or let me come back and tell you the other feature of the learning thing, active recall. There we have it. We have the quizzes. All right, it's going to give you multiple options, and there are also hints, and there's also reveal. So let's see how this goes. By the way, it doesn't matter in today's technology, transition from simple tasks to complex workflows, I think. Great. Oh, one more very good thing about Gizmo is that if your answer is incorrect, you can go ahead and click on the explain option, and the tool is going to explain why your answer is wrong and how you can correct it. You guys giving me perfect explanation, so well performed. Coming up next is this public decks feature, where you're not only creating your own deck, but you have the choice to choose from topics, like the main topic, the category, and then once the topic or category is selected, you will be able to explore other decks created by people which are public. So I'm going to go ahead and click on maybe uh, computer science, because that's what we're talking about. All the it's a lot of information. So there are multiple lectures related to computer science and with the label of AI. Okay, this is the third year student 20. You go ahead and open it up, and you have all the information listed up here, all the important flashcards, all for you to use. So if you ask me, what do Gizmo do? It helps you understand things better. It's real quick, and you can literally just cover a semester worth of notes and information in just one night. Basically, you're going to upload your notes, let Gizmo generate flashcards, customize the flashcards according to your needs if you want. Like, this is a flashcard, I can click on it, edit it, edit multiple choice, move card, delete card, whatever I want to do. To me, why Gizmo is standing out is because A, it's extremely user friendly. It took me literally minutes to understand and know what's going on, but it's pretty versatile. It supports a variety of content types from PDF to videos. Everything is covered up. It boosts retention because once you're looking at things over and over again, you'll understand things better. It's a great way to collaborative learning, because once you share with your friends, you can all just attempt quizzes and understand things even better. Now I know a lot of you would be thinking, is Gizmo free? So yeah, it's free. All the features that I showed you are absolutely free. However, if you want to go unlimited, you can go ahead and see their plans. Let me just show it to you. For a year, it's only $199 per week. I don't see anything bad in here. Student discount is also available, or for a week it's $6.99. My point is, it's at the end of the day, is Gizmo really worth it? Absolutely, it is worth it. And this is one tool which I would give absolutely 5 out of 5, because I did not see any shortcomings here. I personally loved it. My sister has used it. She scored an A after using it. So yeah, that is great. And this is it from my side, guys. I'd say Gizmo is more than just a tool. It's a revolution in how students approach studying. Whether you're a high schooler, college student, or even lifelong learner, it can transform your learning habits and boost your retention level. If you have ever been a student, which we have all been in the high school or in the college, how did you figure out different ways to make your flashcards? Because I remember I used to create and write these flashcards for days for me to remember the lessons at the end of the semester. So how did you do it, and would you give Gizmo a try? Let me know. Also, if you have made it till so far, thank you for watching this review, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on the AI transformation tools which are changing the industry. Right now, I'd say Gizmo is really and literally shaping AI in the classroom and in academics. See you guys in the next video.